Number-based systems, converting numbers from base 10 to base B. Example 313. Convert 1005 to base 7. So again, we need to consider the place values for base 7 to see what the largest place value we have in base 7 that can divide into 1005. If I start looking at the powers of 7, I have 7 to the 0, which is 1, 7 to the first power, which is 7, 7 to the second power, 49, 7 to the third power, 343, and then there's 7 to the fourth power, which is 2,401. And that's going to be too big for our given number because our given number is 1005. So the largest place value in base 7 that will divide into 1005 is 343. Okay, so we're going to set up a place value chart um, where we have our powers of 7, and we're going to start to divide. So we're going to begin by dividing 343 into 1005. Let's get a clean work area. 343 divides into 1005 two times. If I multiply and subtract, I get a remainder of 319. But again, what we want to take note of is that there are two 343s inside of our number. So we're going to put a 2 in the 343's place. Okay, now looking at our divisor, we're going to, our remainder, we're going to see how many 49s, which is the next place value that we need to consider, divide into 319. And that divides in 6 times with a remainder of 25. But again, before we go on, we want to take note that there are 6 49s in our number. Okay, looking at the remainder of 25, I now want to know how many times 7 divides into 25. 7 divides into 25 3 times with a remainder of 4, and we can then by inspection determine that there are 4 ones contained in 4. So the next two numbers that we need to put in here are the 3 7s that we found and then the 4 ones. So we have 1005 in base 10 is equal to 2634 in base 7.